Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows headphones not detecting problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Scan for hardware changes. Fourth method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Click Hardware tab, click Device Installation Settings, click Yes Recommended, click Save Changes. Click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.